I'm going to show you how to download videos on TikTok without Watermark. So go ahead on your App Store or your Play Store and then search for this app named Top Clipper. Now once it's available in your device, install it. So Top Clipper TikTok downloader. So let's wait for it to download, and if it's done, just click open to get started using it. Now let's open it, and then you will be headed to the top left clipper menu. Just continue, and if it's asking you to log in your My Phone ID, just click skip and then click allow to access your photos and media files. Now from here, click downloads, and let's go back to our TikTok. Before we continue that, now here you can just choose any videos that you want to download. So for example, this one, for you to download that video, just click on that arrow button on the bottom right and copy the link of that specific video from TikTok. And let's go back to the Top Clipper app and paste the link in there, and you'll see there this down arrow. Tap on it to start downloading the video and click download. Now you'll see the progress by clicking that arrow on the top right, and as you can see, it's now downloading and has been downloaded to your phone. On your phone, just simply open your file manager, click downloads, and from there you'll be able to see the Top Clipper file and the video that you have downloaded. And let's tap on it. There you go, there's no more watermark from TikTok. That's basically the process. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.